In the video you are about to watch, the disassembly of the DPK 3043 gear pump is demonstrated. The protective cover and key on the bevel gear should be removed. The pump should be securely clamped in a vise without damaging the oil inlet and outlet connections. The 8M10 bolts holding the body and the cover together should be removed. Using a hammer, the cover should be gently tapped to separate it from the body. The upper pressure plate should be removed. The long and short gears should be removed. The lower pressure plate should be removed. Thank you for watching.